Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to the interface. So first, start the vehicle just like normal. And wait for all of this to populate. And then from here, depending on whatever screen you're in, we'll go to phone. And then no phone connected. Would you like to pair? Yes. If this didn't populate, you would just do settings and then paired phones. And then you can add a device here. And then from your device, they're all a little different, but go to your drop down, make sure you're in the Bluetooth menu with it on your phone and scan. And we're looking for Uconnect in this case, which popped up right there. So now we're connecting, and then these pins do match up. So pair yes on this screen, and that's it. It's all connected. Well, it did do a fail, but that sometimes you have to do it once or twice. But that's the whole process. We'll just have to do it again. There, add device. So it's trying to connect now. But then same thing I just showed you. And then if it does keep failing like 2 or 3 times, you just have to either restart your phone and or the vehicle until you get a successful. Okay, so it's asking me this prompt again. Yes and yes. Connecting. Yep, looks like it was successful this time. It doesn't need to be favorite. And then say you've got the vehicle phone list to full, for example, or whatever reason you just want to delete one, you go in here, paired phones again, and then on the list here you can select whichever and delete the phone, and then delete, and then you can do the same thing on your phone device too, so you don't have it displaying anymore there. And then something like unpair or forget. But that's it. Hope this video was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.